Here's my most viral furniture flip and the reason I hit 10,000 followers back in 2021. It's crazy to me that this is my most viral flip because personally, now that I look back at it at 2024, there is so many things I would do differently, and I low-key am not a fan of this furniture flip at all. I had only been flipping furniture for around 3 months, so I literally had no idea what I was doing. But Past Crystal tried her best, so please don't hate on it too much. I actually was gifted this dresser by a family friend, and I had no idea what was going to be hiding underneath this pink paint. My whole idea in the beginning was to paint this entire piece until I found this wood. Even how new I was to furniture flipping, as soon as I saw this wood, I was like, well, there's no way I can paint over this. You can just see here how I didn't even really know how to use citrus strip, how dry it is, and how hard it was to scrape off. So this project definitely took me a few weeks to finish. And the only sander I had was this cordless detail sander. And it was me and this sander against the world, because the amount of pink paint that I had to sand away was just crazy. And there was such a thick layer of primer underneath the pink paint as well, so it just took forever. If only I had known about my carbide scraper back then, this project probably would have been so much easier. I did end up painting the body of this piece, and I kind of regret it now, but at the time I did not have the skill sets to try to restore this piece. It had huge chunks missing on the bottom, and there was huge gashes on the top of this piece as well. And another red flag was me using this bare sample paint. I still can't believe I painted this piece with this. And you can just see all the chunks in the paint, like I didn't even strain it. I'm cringing just watching this. And here I go, using the thickest coat of paint I could possibly do. Not sanding in between each coat. I didn't even sand this primer before I put on this paint. So you just know this piece did not have a nice, crisp finish at all. Also, this color is just not it. I have no idea what possessed me to pick this color. And just wait until you see how my lines look when I pull away this blue tape.
That was not the finish that I was wanting to see.
And after all that, here is how the piece turned out. Low-key, the hardware also is just not giving. But like I said, this was like my third furniture flip ever, and we went from this to this. I guess for the skill sets that I had, I didn't do too bad. Like always, let me know what you guys think and follow for more furniture makeovers.